Ever wished you could grab a snapshot of your favorite Facebook memories or essential information that you can keep forever, even without an internet connection? Today, we're diving into how you can transform any Facebook page into a portable PDF file, perfect for archiving, sharing, or just keeping those precious moments safe. The easiest way to do this is by using a browser extension. Head over to your browser's extension store. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser, they all have a similar place to find these tools. In the search bar, type something like Save Page to PDF or Web Page to PDF Converter. You'll see a list of options. Look for a highly rated extension with a good number of users. These are usually reliable. Once you find one you like, click to install it. You might see a prompt asking for permission. This is normal for most extensions. After it's installed, you'll usually see a new icon appear in your browser's toolbar, typically near the top right. Now, let's head to the Facebook page you want to save. It could be a friend's birthday post, an event page, or even a public group with the extension installed. Simply click on its icon in your toolbar. Most extensions will bring up a small menu. Look for an option that says Save to PDF, Convert to PDF, or something very similar. Click on that. Your browser will then prompt you to choose where you want to save the PDF file on your computer and what you want to name it. Pick a folder you'll remember and give it a descriptive name, like the person's name or the event title. And there you have it. You've successfully saved your Facebook page as a PDF. Open it up to see all the content, perfectly preserved for you to revisit anytime, anywhere. This is a fantastic way to create your own Facebook archive and keep your digital memories tangible.